Hello everyone, today we have a 2018 Ford F-350 Super Duty Platinum. It's going to have a 6.7 liter turbo diesel, and it's sounding good. That Powerstroke is a legendary engine. And these LED headlight surrounds don't flicker to the human eye. That's just a refresh rate of my camera that's making it look like that. You see that it does have the tow hooks up front, fog lights, the chromed wheels, a dually, an airbag suspension. See, it does have the tailgate step, so we'll go ahead and put that away. See that it also has that power sliding back window. Platinum package. Tie downs have come a long ways. Really like those. Your tow package. Fox shocks up front. As I mentioned, it does have airbag suspension in the back. And power deploying running boards. Let me open this, open the door up. Let's have a black pinhole leather interior. And these rear seats are heated. And it does have a 110 back here as well, very cool. It also has dual panoramic sunroofs. Keypad entry, 3 driver presets. Go ahead and give you a shot of the VIN. And I'll upload some still shots as well, in case I'm going a little bit fast for you. So we look down here, you'll see that it has 31,774 miles on this vehicle. And then you've got your trip computers, your push to talk, cruise control. Because it's a Platinum, it will have adaptive cruise control. I'm going to turn this down a little bit so you can hear me a little bit better. It does have push button start, 2- and 4-wheel drive. Here are your trailering controls. And you'll see that up front it does have both cooled and heated seats. And coming up here, you see that it does have navigation. When you jump home, and you can jump over to audio. For sources, it has AM, FM, Sirius XM, CD, and Bluetooth. Your climate controls, the heated steering wheel, your phone through Bluetooth, navigation as well, and then your various apps also. Okay, coming down here, you'll see there's your disk drive, and you do have a 110 outlet up here as well as 12 volt. And you got 2 glove compartments over there, cup holders, key fobs, and your phone charging station with 2 USB ports. Then there's additional power down in here and additional stowage. Up above, you're going to have your sunglass holder, upfitter switches, and then your map reading lights and your controls for your power rear window and your sunroofs. And that about wraps it up for the interior of this F-350. This vehicle does have a branded title. There's an impact up front and center, and also in the rear and the center. The airbag's deployed, but there was no structural damage. So we got it all fixed up. Has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.